Hey, happy 2017 out there. Today I'll be talking about your HDMI cables and what to look for. First off, this is Amazon's line of products, Amazon Basics. I've bought the USB hubs, these cables. They've been good quality stuff. First thing you want to make sure you get a high-speed HDMI cable. 4K is here to stay. It's becoming very cheap. You're going to see it really take off, I believe, in 2017. So you might as well go ahead and start buying the high-speed HDMI cable. This was a 2-pack I bought. Has the protective end covers on. This is a 6-foot cable. You can get this at Amazon for $7. Don't ask me why. A 2-pack's around $12, and then a 3-pack's $11. So if you need cables, go ahead and look for these. I've been in the stores. People want $12 for a 6-foot cable. One set that I saw was a 2-pack at Sam's. It was $20 for 2 6-foot cables, and it wasn't high speed. And there's nowhere on there listed high speed. So go ahead and buy your high speed cables. For some reason, the Amazon Fire TV does not have an HDMI cable included, which I find odd since Roku and me all have that HDMI cable included with their streaming device. Alright, thanks for watching and have a good day.